As we glide through the intricacies of life, a profound realization awaits us in the heart of stillness. The ancient sages often spoke of a sanctuary within, a place of serene wisdom where the essence of life unveils itself. It is here, in the silence of non-reaction, that we touch the timeless wisdom that has reverberated through the ages. Now envisage yourself nestled in the quiet, a lone observer to the grand theatre of existence. As you sit in quiet contemplation, a serene watcher, you begin to notice the ebb and flow of reality both within and without. With each gentle breath, you witness the dance of creation and dissolution, and the ever-changing tapestry of existence unfolds before you. As you delve deeper, you stumble upon a profound truth, the eternal composure of nature. The river flows with a quiet resolve, the ocean cradles the rhythm of life, and the sky, an epitome of endless calm, embraces all yet reacts not. This, dear friends, is the essence of strength, a serene stillness in the face of ceaseless change. Amidst the cacophony of the world, a profound strength lies in your ability to observe, to stand as the silent witness amidst the storm of existence. Yet occasionally the tumult sweeps us away, and we react, forgetting the quiet power that lies within. Fear not, for each interaction, each reaction, is but a stepping stone to deeper understanding, a lesson waiting to be unearthed. In a realm that oftentimes implores immediate retort, the act of non-reaction emerges as a testimony to profound strength and wisdom. A sudden jolt of anguish, a word smeared in bitterness, or an unforeseen calamity strikes. And at that juncture, you stand at a crossroad. The path of impulsive reaction lay strewn with regret, while the path of serene contemplation leads to wisdom. Viktor E. Frankl, a luminary of the human spirit, once proclaimed that in the space between stimulus and response lies our freedom, our growth, and the key to our happiness. By allowing a chasm of contemplation between the unfolding event and our response, we reclaim the reins of our existence, navigating through the tempest with grace. Non-reaction, dear friends, is not a veil of ignorance nor a suppression of your essence. It is a choice to halt the cycle of negativity, to respond with a heart laden with understanding, and to usher a stream of consciousness that elevates rather than deteriorates. In the Garden of Nonreaction, the flowers of patience, understanding, and compassion bloom. It is here that we build the bridges of empathy, here that we heal the wounds of the world with the balm of understanding. True strength, dear ones, doesn't ripple through the vengeance of reaction, but flows through the gentle stream of understanding, through the quiet resolve to stand amidst the chaos with a heart full of love. As you tread upon this path of non-reaction, you begin to unearth the profound truth that our responses shape the reality we dwell in. Our reactions, a reflection of our inner world, have the potency to either entangle us in a web of discord or liberate us into the realms of serene understanding. As we meander through the corridors of life, each interaction offers a mirror, reflecting the depths of our understanding, beckoning us to delve deeper into the realm of serene composure. It's an invitation to dance to the rhythm of life with grace, to respond to the melodies and dissonances with an open heart. The world may buzz with hurried judgments and fiery retorts, yet in the heart of non-reaction, a sanctuary of wisdom awaits. Each moment of pause before a reaction is a seed of contemplation planted, blossoming into a garden of peaceful interactions. Let us envision a world where our responses stem from a well of understanding rather than the turbulent waters of impulsivity. A world where our interactions are imbued with the essence of compassion, cradling the ups and downs of life with a gentle resolve. The act of non-reaction doesn't distance us from the whirlpool of life. Rather, it draws us closer to the core, to the heart of what truly matters. It's a gentle reminder that amidst the fleeting storms, there lies a center of calm, an anchor of understanding that holds the potential to transform discord into harmony. It is an expedition inward, to the core of our being, where lies a boundless reservoir of patience, understanding, and love. As we tap into this wellspring, we not only enrich our own experience of life, but also contribute to a harmonious world, resonating with the gentle whispers of understanding and the melodious tunes of compassion. So, as you journey forth, may you carry with you the serene wisdom of non-reaction. May the rivers of patience and understanding carve pathways of harmony through the landscape of your life, and may your heart resonate with the timeless tunes of compassion, enriching the world with the gentle echoes of love and understanding. In every fleeting moment, in every breath, lies an invitation to delve deeper into the sacred space of awareness, where the seeds of profound understanding are sown. With each dawn, as the sun casts its gentle rays upon the world, may your heart, too, illuminate the path of serene wisdom, radiating the tender warmth of understanding and compassion. The journey of non-reaction is akin to the gentle flow of a river, meandering gracefully through the landscapes of life, touching every shore with a soft caress of understanding, nurturing the soils of compassion. It's a journey inward, a voyage towards the heart of existence, where the ephemeral dances with the eternal, where the silence speaks the profoundest truths. In this sacred space of non-reaction, the veils of illusion gradually part, revealing the boundless skies of clarity, where the stars of wisdom twinkle with a gentle promise of unfolding enlightenment. The dance of life continues, with its eternal rhythm, its captivating melody, and amidst this celestial dance, you stand as a serene observer, a wise dancer moving to the rhythm of love and understanding. Your every step, a gentle imprint of compassion on the sands of existence. Your every breath, a soft whisper of love in the heart of the cosmos. As the world spins in the whirlpool of endless reactions, may you remain the serene eye at the center, the quiet harbor amidst the storm, radiating the gentle glow of understanding, of love, of profound tranquility. And as you dwell in this serene space, may the veils of confusion and the chains of reaction dissolve, liberating you into the boundless skies of serene wisdom. May your heart become a lighthouse of love, of understanding, guiding the lost ships amidst the storm towards the calm shores of compassion. And as you sail through the rivers of life with the gentle art of non-reaction as your compass, may you discover the boundless ocean of love that lies within, waiting to embrace you in its gentle waves, guiding you home, to the heart of serene wisdom, to the essence of who you truly are.